So in the previous session we have discussed about distinct, which is used for accessing the data from the specific column in a distinct way. So that is without having any repetition of values, we have retrieved the data. So in a table, in a column, if we have a repetition of values, without repetition, we want to display the values. So this is a student table we have actually, and from this, if we want to access the data, how we are going to be access? We have observed, we have discussed the query is select star table name. Select star from table name. We are going to be retrieve this particular data. We are getting this particular data. See, now unique values, if we want to retrieve, we can able to retrieve. So we have created, let me take what we have in the employee table. So this is the data we have. Okay, EMP, let me check. Unique values we have. Yeah. So I think we have discussed here previously about the distinct keyword. The purpose of using this distinct keyword is whatever may be the values we have in this particular column called as location will be having Hyderabad, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. See here, if we want to get the unique cities where the people are living, unique cities where the people are living or the employees are living. So in this particular case, what I would like to get is distinct location of the employees, distinct location of the employees from, sorry, not the employee, student, from student. Select distinct location from student. So we are going to be get this particular data. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. If I am retrieving only location from student, so I am retrieving only location from student. This is the data we are getting. This is the data we are getting. Select location from student. See, a total 6 values we are getting here. Total 6 values we are getting here. And in this particular case, we'll be having only 3 values. So because we'll be having 3 distinct values over here. We have 3 distinct values over here. Because of that, we are getting here 3. And actually, when we are not using this distinct keyword, then it is going to be retrieve all the values which has been stored in that. Now, order by is one of the class we have. Order by is one of the class we have. So what is the purpose of using order by, we'll discuss. order by. See, usually the table will not be stored the data based on some order in that particular column. If you want to retrieve the data either in ascending order or in descending order, then we have to follow, then we have to use this order by class. This is a class, not class, class. Either ascending order or descending. Data what we have in the respective column. The data what we have in the respective column. See, select column 1, column 2 from um, the table name, order by, order by, column name, the brackets, ASC or DAC, ASC or DAC. ASC innocent, ASC will represent ascending order, ASC represents ascending order, DAC represents descending order. ASC will represent ascending order, DAC will represent descending order. By default, ascending order only. By default, ascending order itself. See how we are going to be get data related to that. Now, if I'm seeing the data what we have in student table, uh, here percentage of marks 64 percentage we have, 73.33 percentage, 81.67 percentage, like that we have. So I would like to display that particular data in a ascending order or in descending order. Along with that, I would like to display the student ID, student name, whose order is given in that particular way. That we'll see. Now, in ascending order, select what we need to select from the table student. From the table student, see, select student ID, student name, percentage marks, percentage marks from student, order by percentage marks, percentage marks. Now we will see 64, 71.33, 76.33, 78, 79, 81, like this. In the given order, it has been retrieved for us. See, if I would like to get the same thing in ascending order, I can also use ASC after writing the column name here. ASC. So we'll be getting same values as well now. We'll be getting same values. See, query has been executed. We'll be getting same values. Now, if you want to get values in descending order, like this. So we are going to be getting descending order now. So 81.67, 79.33, like this. So this is used for to retrieve or display unique location of student. Displaying location of student. Display the student ID, student name, and percentage of marks in increasing order of a percentage of marks. So the same thing, by default it is going to be get as ASC, and here we'll be getting in ascending as well. Sorry, ASC, or without providing any information, by default it is going to be get in ascending order only. So that is this particular information. And in descending order, if you want to get, we want to mention that as a descending. Definitely descending order లో రావాలనుకుంటే ఖచ్చితంగా we need to represent as descending order. So then only it is going to be get in descending order, లేకపోతే descending order లో రాదు. See, if we want to access this particular information without order by, we will not be getting in this order. If you observe, మనం ఈ ఆర్డర్ బై యూజ్ చేయకపోతే మనం తీసుకున్న అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లోనూ మనకు వాల్యూస్ అనేది డిస్ప్లే అవ్వదు. చూడండి. So normally how it has been stored in the table, in the same way it is going to be displayed for us. టేబుల్లో ఎలా అయితే స్టోర్ అయి ఉంటాయో ఆ వేలో మనకి డేటా అనేది డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. కానీ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లా, if you want to access the data, then definitely we need to access in this particular way. So ఇది order by. So any doubt in this order by command? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So we have discussed where class, usually for what purpose we are going to be use. And now we are going to be discuss some logical operators. Before going to be discuss logical operators, first we have to discuss relational operators. Relational or conditional operators equals to, not equals to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to. So these operators which are used for writing the conditions. If you want to retrieve the specific data from the table, then we are going to be use this uh, for retrieving the specific data from the table. Especially we are going to be write the condition in the where class. See, by using the where class only, we are writing the condition. In writing the condition, if it required, we are going to be uh, use this conditional operators. After writing the condition, if we want to combine more than one condition, so then definitely what we have to write, we need to, for combining more than one condition, we need to use logical operators to combine more than one condition. To combine more than one condition in where class, we'll use this logical operators and or not. Sorry, and or not. See, ఇక్కడ relational operators will returns the result as either true or false. Condition based చేసుకొని it is going to be written either true or false. Condition based చేసుకొని it is going to be written either true or false. See, when one particular column is value is equal to the what we are value checking, so if both are same, then it is going to be written true, otherwise it is going to be written false. In the similar way, it is going to be retrieved for us. Now, to combine more than one condition, we'll be using and or not. See, x is one condition, y is one condition, x is one condition, y is one condition. X and y, what we'll be getting? X or y, what we'll be getting? We'll see. X is true, or let me consider x is false, y is false. X is false, y is false. X is false, y is true, x is true, y is false. So here both are true. X is false, y is false. X is false, y is true. X is true, y is false. So then here both are true. See, logical and will be true only when both the conditions are true. రెండు కండిషన్స్ యూజ్ చేసి రెండు కండిషన్స్ని కంబైన్ చేయడానికి మనం అండ్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నామంటే ఆ రెండు కండిషన్స్ ట్రూ అవుతేనే ద రిజల్టెంట్ విల్ బి ట్రూ, అదర్వైజ్ ఆల్ అదర్ కేసెస్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఫాల్స్. ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ ట్రూ వై ట్రూ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఎక్స్ అండ్ వై వచ్చేసి ట్రూ అయింది. సో లేకపోతే in all the cases it will be false. In all the cases it will be false. If it is a or operator, if it is a or operator, if any one of the condition is true also, the resultant will be true. If any one condition is true, the resultant will be true. Both are false only, it will be false. So in this particular case, here will be getting false, here will be getting true, because x is false, y is true, will be getting true over here. So true. both are true also, it will be true. And one more thing, x not x. X is false, not x will be true. If x is true, not x will be false. X is true అయితే not of x is false. X false అయితే not of x will be true. Negation అన్నమాట. So just it is negation. So these are the logical operators we have. So based on that we'll be getting. See, normally if you want to retrieve the details of the student whose ID is 108, display the details of the student whose ID is 109. Let me consider. Select star from student where we are writing condition over here. Select star from where student ID is 108. Student ID is 108. So where we have the condition, where we have the condition. So here this is a condition. This is one operand. This is one operand and this is another operand by using this equal to operator. So equal to operator యూజ్ చేసి మనం కండిషన్ రాయగలిగాం. Without using the relational operators either equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, we cannot able to write the condition. We cannot able to write the condition. I think it is clear. Any doubt is there, you can ask me. Or else if you would like to give only student ID, student ID, student name, result, where from student where ID is, sorry, yeah, 109. We have retrieved that data. So this is one way. So let me check the data what we have. So this is the data we have. In between 70 to 80, what are the, sorry, I need to retrieve the details of the students who got more than 80%. More than 80%. More than or equal to 80% also we can say. Um, Display name, student ID, student name and percentage of marks whose percentage of marks is greater than 80. Whose percentage of marks is greater than 80. Select from student table. What we need to get? Student ID student name, percentage of marks from student where percentage of marks greater than 80. So we have retrieved the data. Who got percentage greater than 80? Who got percentage greater than 80? We have retrieved the data. Sorry. ఇందులో ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా ఇంకా? Any doubt in this? Condition ఎలా రాస్తాం? So less than 70% who has the marks I need to retrieve. Display the here. What are the things we need to display? Student ID, student name, percentage of marks, percentage of marks from student where percentage of marks less than 70 or sorry less than 80. So like this we can able to mention the condition. Less than 70. Who got this data? So I mean ఎవరికైతే percentage of marks less than 80 వచ్చాయో so all that particular data we have retrieved here. All that particular data we have retrieved. So ఇప్పుడు in between 70 and 80 I want to retrieve the data. Display the student ID, display the student ID, student name and percentage of marks whose percentage of marks is more than 70 and less than 80, or else the same query I can make, right? percentage of marks in between 70 and 80. See, this condition will write what are the things we need to retrieve: student name, student name, student ID, student name, percentage of marks, percentage of marks, where percentage of marks, see here, both ranges included. Both the ranges included, and so 70 should be there, and as well as 80 if we have there also, we need to get that. 70 ఉన్న 80 ఉన్నా కూడా then it need to retrieve the data. సో ఆ డేటా ఎలా రిట్రీవ్ అవుతుంది? సో దట్ విల్ సీ నౌ. 70 ఉన్న డిస్ప్లే అవ్వాలి, 80 ఉన్న డిస్ప్లే అవ్వాలి. సో దెన్ in between 70 and 80 also we need to get that. 70 ఉన్న డిస్ప్లే అవ్వాలి, 80 ఉన్న డిస్ప్లే అవ్వాలి, in between 70 and 80 ఉన్నా కూడా డిస్ప్లే అవ్వాలి. సో దట్ ఈస్ అవర్ కన్సర్న్ about the example what we are writing here. Now in that particular case, percentage of marks greater than or equal to 70 and percentage of marks greater than or equal to 70 and percentage of marks less than or equal to 80. So in this particular case, where the percentage of marks is greater than or equal to 70 and percentage of marks is less than or equal to 80 also, it is going to be retrieved for us. 70 ఉన్న 70 above ఉన్న 80 ఉన్న 80 below ఉన్న కూడా in between 70 it is going to be retrieve all the data for us. సో మనకి యాక్చువల్గా ఒకటి 60% లో ఉంది, ఒకటి 60s లో ఉంది, ఒకటి 80s లో ఉంది, ఐ మీన్ 81 సంథింగ్, ఇంకొకటి 60 తర్వాత ఉంది. సో దాట్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ డిస్ప్లేయింగ్ ఫర్ అస్. ఆ పర్సంటేజ్ మనకి డిస్ప్లే అవ్వట్లేదు హియర్. సో బికాస్ వీ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ ద కండిషన్ విచ్ ఇస్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 70 అండ్ less than 80, both the ranges included, both the ranges excluded, and so then in that particular case we are going to be write like this. So first the same thing I can able to write by using between operator. So same thing ni నేను between operator use చేసి రాస్తాను. So even in that particular case it is going to be work. Percentage of marks 70 and 80. So previous గా ఏం వర్క్ అయిందో sorry, percentage marks between 70 and 80. Between is a keyword here. Between is a keyword. Between 70 and 80. So we have retrieved that particular data as well. Both the ranges included. ఇక్కడ మనకు 70 అనో 80 అనో values ఉంటే even that values it is going to be retrieved for us. 70 అనో 80 అనో values ఉంటే ఆ values కూడా మనకు retrieve అయ్యేవి. సో కానీ మనం తీసుకున్న డేటాలో 70 లేదు, 80 లేదు. Because of that only it is not retrieved for us. 70, 80 లేని values మనకు డిస్ప్లే అవ్వలేదు. So in the case like if we have that values, it is going to be retrieved. మనకి in case 70, 80 ఉన్న ranges అవసరం లేదనుకుంటే, so then what we have to do, that we will see now. That is what we're going to be say. Both the ranges excluded. Both the ranges. So then definitely we cannot able to use the between operator. Both ranges included innocence. Then in that particular case only we need to use this. Otherwise we cannot able to use this. Both the ranges has been included అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుంది, లేకపోతే ఇట్ డస్ నాట్. సో అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి మేక్ ఇట్ as only by using this way. Here both ranges will be excluded. Percentage of marks greater than 70 and percentage of marks less than 80. ఈ పర్టికులర్ సిచ్యువేషన్ లో మాత్రమే ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి వర్క్. ఈ పర్టికులర్ సిచ్యువేషన్ లో మాత్రమే ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి వర్క్. ఎనీ డౌట్ ఇన్ దిస్? ఎక్కడైనా క్లారిటీ కావాలంటే యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ మీ, ఐల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. Any doubt?